Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to create an Adyen accounts online in 2025. Adyen is a global payment platform used by business or accept credit cards, wallet, and local payment method worldwide. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to adyen.com. On the homepage, click on the sign up or get started button. Here you can see this. This will take you to the registration page. Fill out on the registration form. Here you will need to enter your business information, full name and business name, email address, phone number, country or operations, add and secure password and for your account. Once done, click create account. Then verify your email. Next, check your email inbox for a message from Adyen. Click on the verification link inside to confirm your. Without these steps, you won't be able to continue setting up. Complete business details after verifying a logo. Log in to the Adyen customer area. Now you will be asked to complete your profile by adding your business type, company or individual. Then business address, bank account details where you payout will be sent, and uploading verification documents like your ID, business license or company registrations. Adyen reviews these details before activating your account. So once your account is approved, you can log in and set up payment methods. Adyen support Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and many local payments methods. You will also find integration options for websites, mobile apps, and point of sale systems. And that's it. That's how you create an Adyen account online in 2025, from signing up, verifying your email, completing business details, and getting your account ready to accept payment. If this guide helps you and enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe the channels, and thanks for watching.